सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, today we are thrilled to bring you our video of the month. In this episode, we have conducted a comprehensive AI analysis of Natco Pharma Limited. The results indicate that this company has been highly active during the month. Stay tuned as we dive into the details of our analysis and explain why this stock stands out from the other stocks. Our today's stock of the month, Natco Pharma Limited, is a prominent large cap. Natco Pharma Limited is an Indian pharmaceutical company founded in 1981. It specializes in producing generic drugs, particularly in oncology, gastroenterology, and cardiology. The company is known for making high-cost medications more affordable through its generics, with a strong focus on research, innovation, and global exports. Let's check out what the fundamental aspects reveal about the excellent performance of the company. The market capitalization for the company is 23,591, having current price 1,317 rupees. The company's high price and low price for the last 52 weeks is 1,324 and 724. Stock price to earnings is 17.0. Since the industry's price to earning ratio is greater than the individual stocks, it suggests stronger investor confidence in the stock's performance. ROCE, also known as return on capital employed, has a value of 30.0. The return on capital employed is a positive indicator of the company's ability to generate profits from its investments. A healthy ROCE suggests efficient use of capital, but further analysis is needed to determine the company's true financial strength. ROE, also known as return on equity, has a value of 25.9, which is an impressive return on equity indicating efficient capital utilization and strong financial health for the company. The face value is around 2.00. PEG ratio, also known as price earnings to growth ratio, is around 1.00. The debt of the company is around 371. Debt to equity ratio is 0.06. Piotrowski score is 7.00. Having Piotrowski score exceeding 4 reflects strong fundamental health, making the company an attractive investment prospect due to its sound financial position and operational stability. Graham number is 755. Net profit is 1,388. Price to book value ratio is 3.95. Interest coverage is 88.2. It reflects favorably on the company's financial stability and prudent management. Industry price to earnings is 36.4. Free cash flow is 855. Let's explore the cumulative impact of the company's performance. The profit over 5 years is 15%. The sales over 5 years is 12%. The stock price change over 5 years is 22%. The trailing 12 months TTM profit is 109. The trailing 12 months TTM sales is 45. The profit over 3 years is 66%. The sales over 3 years is 29%. The stock price change over 3 years is 14%. The table summarizes the shareholding distribution among different categories: promoter, public, DII, and FII over the last 4 years. As we move to the promoter shareholding pattern over the years, the promoters held 48.84% of the shares for the financial year 2023, and for the current year 2024, the shareholding increased to 49.71%. The public sector's shareholding for the year 2023 was 23.97%, which increased to 24.97% in 2024. Domestic institutional investors held 15.38% of the shares in 2023, but this percentage decreased to 7.87% in 2024. Foreign institutional investors held 11.91% of the shares in 2023, and the shareholding decreased to 17.45% in 2024. Despite the increase in expenses from 217.73 crore rupees to 457.82 crore rupees, we managed to significantly boost our profitability. Operating profit increased from 32.44 crore rupees to 164.01 crore rupees, reflecting improved operational efficiencies. Net profit saw a remarkable rise from Rs. minus 16.79 crore to 96.34 crore rupees, indicating robust financial health. Earnings per share (EPS) also improved substantially, climbing from Rs. minus 3.74 to 14 rupees and 18 paise. This performance highlights company's successful growth strategies and effective cost management. Let's check out the recent stock news for the company. On the 13th of August 2024, Natco Pharma Limited, NSE Nacofarm, shares have continued their recent momentum with a 26% gain in the last month alone. Looking back a bit further, it's encouraging to see the stock is up 81% in the last year. On the 12th of August 2024, Natco Pharma Limited's shares surged 6.9% to a record 1,539 rupees and 70 paise after a Q1 profit jump of 60%, driven by strong exports. The stock, up 84% YTD, led the Nifty Pharma Index, with trading volume 3 times the 30-day average. Analysts maintain a buy rating. On the 12th of August 2024, Natco Pharma has announced that Shanivrappu Ravi Prakash Reddy, Senior Vice President, Operations, Pharma Division, Kottur, Rangareddy District, Telangana has resigned and relieved with effect from 25th of July, 2024. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।